Are you looking for a way to relieve muscle soreness and improve your recovery time after workouts? If so, you may have heard about the latest trend in fitness technology, massage guns. These handheld devices use percussive therapy to deliver rapid pulses of pressure to your muscles, promoting blood flow and reducing tension. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best massage gun for your needs? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the top massage guns available today and break down their features, benefits, and drawbacks. We'll compare factors like battery life, noise level, speed settings, and attachments to help you find the perfect massage gun for your budget and lifestyle. Whether you're a professional athlete or just looking to soothe sore muscles from your daily commute, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of massage guns together. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision and get the best massage gun for your needs. Number 1. Toloko Massage Gun. This massage gun by Toloko provides excellent percussion therapy to promote rehabilitation and accelerate vibration healing. The machine also helps relieve muscle fatigue and improves blood circulation. It features 20 speed levels so that you can enjoy a massage at various intensities. This cordless gun also comes with 10 massage heads to experience full body therapy. Smart LED touchscreen with higher clarity, with unique flowing lights, making it even more cool. What's more, the machine has an ergonomically built handle that doesn't slip and offers a firm grip. It also has a lightweight design that makes it easy to hold for an extended duration. Unfortunately, the gun's battery isn't as long-lasting, and replacing it is a hassle. But because this massage gun is affordable and performs its job perfectly, it is our top pick. Number 2. Reathlete Massage Gun. The Reathlete Massage Gun is a high-quality and versatile device for muscle recovery and pain relief. With its silent yet powerful motor, this massage gun is the perfect way to target sore and achy muscles from the comfort of your home. It offers 4 massage heads, including a big ball for small muscle groups, a bullet for pinpoint focus, a fork for your neck and spine, and a flat one for multi-purpose. These massage heads allow you to customize your muscle recovery, providing long-lasting relief. The touch controls and 4 intensities give you the ability to target specific needs with ease. This massage gun also stands out for its portability. With an included carrying bag, you can take it on the go without having to worry about finding an outlet or being disrupted by noise. Its 6-hour battery life ensures you won't have to worry about running out of juice while using it. The adjustable arm helps you cover all areas on your body, giving special attention to muscles that need it most. Number 3. Life Pro Massage Gun. With 8 massage heads and 5 intensity levels, this massage gun by Sonic is an affordable investment for excellent percussion therapy. It features an easy-to-use design and an LED panel with on and off buttons. The charging port and the vibration level switch are also located close to the panel. This gun is pretty lightweight and portable. Thanks to its comfortable grip, you can conveniently handle it with one hand. Also, its brushless motor ensures that the machine doesn't produce much noise when switched on. The vibration level switch is located right where your index finger rests on the Sonic Power Massager for simple and handy usage. Furthermore, this gun uses a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for 3 to 6 hours straight. A few customers have complained, however, of poor battery performance after using the unit for a few months. Number 4. Erlang Massage Gun. A massage gun doesn't have to be expensive. There are many affordable options available, one of which is the massage gun from Erlang. This is not only an inexpensive machine but also comes with 6 massage heads and has 20 intensity levels. You can easily remove the massage head for cleaning and replacement. What's more, it is considered quite effective for neck and back pain. This massage gun can not only relieve muscle soreness and stiffness, but also help you stimulate the circulation of blood and release lactic acid, make your muscles and body a comfortable feeling. Extremely effective for back/neck pain relief. Its brushless motor ensures that you experience a quiet and relaxing time while having a massage. In addition, the motor delivers high-penetrating therapy and helps your muscles get quick relief. The massager also features an LED screen to help you know the remaining power and speed levels. Number 5. Decor Massage Gun. If you are an athlete and wake up with a sore body every day, the Decor Massage Gun may suit your needs. While this gun comes with relatively few speed levels, the number of massage heads available is more than what most options have. This machine also has an excellent battery life and can easily be charged using a USB cable. It features a non-slip handle to allow easy grip, and the noiseless motor makes the entire experience unique and relaxing. Percussion Massage Gun, lightweight design, with carrying case and user manual. If you're picking out gifts for men, women, or as a Christmas present, New Year's present, this is a cool option. This is a lightweight gun that comes with a carrying case. It means you can carry it around and use it as you like. It can also make an excellent gift for an athlete friend.